In this tutorial, I'll show you how to project an imported image over an active set of geometry nodes. In this example, there are more than 10,000 instances of a UV sphere in the scene. If your PC has a limited amount of processing power, then please lower the amount to the point the scene doesn't lag any longer. I'll show you how this UV sphere was created. Let's create a new UV sphere with 3 segments and rings. After that, I have applied this set of material nodes to import an external image. Here are the full nodes. The image projection will only work when the object info's location is added to the mapping node's vector. The projection image will appear once we add this UV sphere as an instance in our geometry node setup. Here are the full nodes. The density is set to more than 10,000 in my setup, but that can be lower than 1,000 to avoid the slowness issue. The image will only look better with higher density settings. I'd say about 5,000 is alright. Please experiment with the node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.